We would like to share our idea for the Thinkable motorized drawing arm with you. Let's assume we have the TactiPad as an existing product in front of us, and we have also the TactileView drawing software. How nice would it be if these two products could be combined by having a motorized arm that can move the pen in a horizontal and vertical direction, so from the very far end to the front of the TactiPad or from the left to the right, covering the whole of the TactiPad. And of course pushing down so the line will grow on the TactiPad or lift wherever it is needed. After these computerized drawings have been created, we could take out our regular pen and continue our drawing by this pen to have a completed diagram. In order to do this, we have three different concepts that we would like to share with you in the next part of this video. The first idea is a vertical arm that moves along a rail. The rail is attached on the back end of the TactiPad, and this rail moves from left to right over the TactiPad, whereby the pen follows the vertical part of the arm from, as mentioned, from top to bottom. The second concept that we show you is created in Lego pieces. As you can see, we have a rail here in the front, and we have a rail here in the back of the TactiPad, and the arm can move horizontally and vertically in between these rails, and the pen can actually move along the arm. As a third alternative, we developed a concept that acts like a windscreen wiper, and this concept is connected on a turning point at the end, at the backside of the TactiPad, and the arm can rotate 180 degrees like this, and the pen can move from the very far end of the arm to all the way up to the center of the arm. And in this way, when you combine the movements, you would be able to cover all the surface of the TactiPad. We would like to share some applications that we have in mind for this motorized drawing arm. First one could be creating a map in TactileView software, where you have, for instance, the contours of a country, and you could add the cities with the pen into the map, or the rivers, in this case creating a progressive tactile drawing. Another application could be that you have a coordinate system with a graph plotted inside already, also created by the TactileView software, and then adding some points in this graph. But what we have here is what to think about designing your own personal shoe. We have found a contour of a shoe on the internet, and we would like to create our own shoe with a number of sports shoe makers do allow us to do so nowadays. So we have a shoe here where we can enter all the lines that we would like to have in our creative design for the shoe. When we are not satisfied with the shoe, we can redo it all over again by having the shoe plotted and adding with the pen, where you have your progressive tactile diagram created. We are interested to hear your ideas, contributions you may have, or whatever thoughts you would like to share with us. Please leave your comments on our website.